So today I'm going to be going over the trade that I took today, and the main thing that I was looking at today was if I come onto the daily time frame. Obviously we had this unmitigated daily FVG which I was wanting it to come to. That was my main draw on liquidity, but then we also had these triple equal highs right here. If we're on the 15 minute, it'll be more clear. It was here and here also. So if I come down to the 1 minute time frame, so you'll see that 10 a.m. we did have news, and to be honest, I didn't really like this play, to be honest, as I did think that 10 a.m. should do more manipulation than it was going to do off that 10 a.m. news candle there. As to be honest, we are in this range currently, and I knew that in order for today to play out, it was just going to be a liquidity sweep and displacement move instead of coming down and reacting into a higher time frame PDA, which, I mean, you could use this OB, forward OB here as your higher time frame PDA, but I knew it was just going to move off a liquidity sweep and displacement, so I was looking for higher, and so I waited for 10 a.m. news to play out a little bit, and we got this manipulation to the downside here, and then we got this nice displacement to the upside, and I knew that limiting 10 a.m. open here and where 1800 was and 930 open, yes, it was this is where I wanted to be in the trade. This is where I knew it was going to react off of this move up, but I also knew that just limiting it, just, I don't know, like a 10-point stop wasn't going to be the play, because one, yeah, it's displaced up, but then also you don't have OTE, it's not aligned with anything like that. Plus it also needs to rebalance some of this. So what I did wait for was an entry trigger, and so once we've got this point of free accumulation, manipulation, distribution, it was looking perfect, and I just thought, you know what, I'll wait for an entry trigger. So if I replay it to here, so I waited for the 1 minute time frame, and I mean, yeah, just looking at it here, you've got triple equal highs, the daily FEG here. It was just so obvious of a long to me. I did not want downside at all, to be honest. So I waited for this a 1 minute entry trigger, which we got here. Came, reacted, swept out this internal low, then closed back above all of these key time frame opens. So what I'd done was I marked out C of the entry trigger wick, which was here, and I was targeting I was just going to target the triple equal highs for a 9.4 risk to reward, and as you can see, it unfortunately got stopped straight away, got stopped out by 2 points, and then eventually played out. I'll skip it, but what I should have done is, after that loss, I realistically should have been looking for a re-entry, as we now have a CISD here, and it probably, and that didn't come down to it, but we've got a CISD now from this reaction. I should have just limited it at 10 a.m. It could have had a 10-point stop covering the 930 key open also, and then not just target the triple highs again, or you could go for the daily if you wanted a higher risk to reward. I should have re-entered, but that's all hindsight. I took the trade I wanted to take, and unfortunately got stopped out, and as you can see, so you can see I entered here, stopped out, and then it ripped to everything. So I mean, to be honest, I don't even know what I'd done wrong. I don't think I did anything wrong. It's this realistically is like an A+ setup. It had everything for me. I wait for the entry trigger. It has 3 key opens right here: manipulation, AMD, manipulation, distribution. Wait for the entry trigger, and unfortunately, just got stopped out by 2 points. Just getting rage baited, but yeah, what can you do? It is, to be fair, obviously happy that I got the right trade, but it is annoying that I got stopped out on it. But that is just trading for you. I've just got to take it on the chin and not be discouraged next time this setup forms, because most likely it will work out. So yeah, I hope it helps in some way. Yeah, God bless.